The law of attraction can help you repair relationships that have been shattered by negative thinking and feeling so that they can thrive once again. Some relationships fall apart due to people don't find positive light and dwell on hatred. You can do close your eyes and picture yourself in a beautiful relationship. You both enjoying each other's company. You are having good times and sharing good moments. Use emotions and senses to feel that a feeling of warmth, love, happiness together in your mind. Think of the good times that made you feel good. Silently enjoy yourself in each other's company and see the relationship progressing and thriving. Affirmations. My relationships are growing stronger and stronger each day. My relationships gives me the support I need. I am very fortunate to have such beautiful relationships. I feel fulfilled in my relationship and have lot of hope for the future. All my relationships come naturally with full of love and respect. Thank you.